But sound from a three-dimensional perspective is an expanding sphere. Sphere, I can never pronounce it, that would expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude. Look at your boy. Look at your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo! So you have like this expanding bubble
ambiguity,
that propagates
and duality.
in nature.
So the wave medium particle
Intensity determines the
in light is
distance
considered is
at
dualistic,
which the
which is
acceleration of
distinction,
the sound
wave
propagates.
particle.
So we have
It's a
amplitude,
contradiction
we have
because
frequency.
from one
we have-
perspective,
Look at your boy. Look at your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo!